a documentary on Harry Potter and the Deathly Hallows Part 2.
Rowling is a British author, philanthropist, film producer, television producer, and screenwriter. She is best known for writing the Harry Potter fantasy series, which has won multiple awards and sold more than 500 million copies, becoming the best selling book series in history. Joanne Rowling was born on 31st July 1965. Diane, her younger sister, was born almost 2 years later, and Johnny's earliest childhood memory is of Diane's arrival. She, her sister, and her parents live in Winterburn. The directors of Harry Potter. There were four directors across every film, with Chris Columbus directing the first and second film, and Alfonso Cuarón directing the third. Mike Newell directed the fourth with David Yates, staying the longest as he directed the last four films. Harry Potter and the Deathly Hallows Part 2. Summary: a clash between good and evil awaits as young Harry, Daniel Radcliffe, Ron Rupert Grint, and Hermione Emma Watson prepare for a final battle against Lord Voldemort. Ralph Fiennes has Harry has grown into a steel lad on a mission to rid the world of evil. The friends must search for the Horcrux that keep the Dursley wizard immortal. Thank you. Written by Steve Klaus.
Now let us see the characters and the people who played as each characters. These are some of the main characters. Daniel Radcliffe as Harry Potter, Emma Watson as Hermione Granger, Rupert Grint as Ronald Weasley, Tom Felton as Draco Malfoy, Alan Rickman as Severus Snape, Michael Gambon as Albus Dumbledore, Bellatrix Lestrange as Helena Bonham Carter, Ralph Fiennes as Lord Voldemort, Matthew Lewis as Neville Longbottom, Julie Walters as Molly Weasley.
This book is divided into two movies, Deathly Hallows Part 1 and Deathly Hallows Part 2. This is about Deathly Hallows Part 2. The story follows Harry Potter, who has been given the task to find Voldemort's secret to immortality, the Horcruxes. So he takes his two best friends, Ron and Hermione, to this mission. They lost a lot of people during this fight, like Mad-Eye Moody, Albus Dumbledore, Severus Snape, Fred Weasley, Dobby, Hedwig, Infedora Tonks, Remus Lupin, and a lot of other people. The story continues by them destroying each and every Horcruxes. The Diary of Tom Riddle, Marvolo Gaunt's ring, which is his father's ring, the Locket of Salazar Slytherin, the Cup of Helga Hufflepuff, the Diadem of Rowena Ravenclaw, and then the Nagini, which is his snake, which has a backstory which is told in Fantastic Beasts and Where to Find Them by a book by J.K. Rowling. And then, unfortunately, Harry Potter himself. Then Neville came in and killed Nagini, the final Horcrux, with the Sword of Gryffindor, which made Voldemort at the most vulnerable. And of course, Harry killed him and defeated him, once and for all. The last part of the movie is Ginny and Harry get married, and same with Ron and Hermione. And they watch their kids leave to Hogwarts in King's Cross Station proudly. We do not own any pictures or videos in this documentary. The credit goes to Google and YouTube.